Master English naturally, daily and advanced sentence structures you must know. Hello and welcome, dear learners, to another powerful and practical English lesson. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you knew the words but didn't know how to structure them? Maybe you tried to speak, but your sentence felt awkward or incomplete? Or maybe you use the same few sentence patterns every day. I like, I go, she is. And now you feel stuck at the same level? Well, today's video is designed especially for you. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use English like a native speaker by understanding two essential layers of the language. 1. Daily English sentence structures. These are practical, friendly, and essential for everyday conversations. 2. Advanced English sentence structures. These will help you speak and write with depth, confidence, and professionalism. We're going to look at sentence building step by step, understand how grammar and meaning come together, and see how you can transform basic sentences into powerful expressions. So, sit back, grab a notebook, and let's begin your journey to clear, fluent, and confident English. Part 1. Daily English Structures. Speak naturally in everyday life. These structures help you speak comfortably with friends, coworkers, family, and even strangers. They're the foundation of spoken fluency. 1. Simple present tense, routine, habits, truths. Structure, subject, basefus, object. Examples. I walk to school. She drinks coffee every morning. Birds fly in the sky. Explanation. We use this for things we do regularly or facts that are always true. Tip. Add time phrases like every day, usually, sometimes for natural flow. Better. I usually walk to school around 8 a.m. She drinks strong black coffee before work every single morning. 2. Present continuous, right now, temporary actions. Structure. Subject plus am is are, verbing. Examples. I'm learning English. They are playing football. She is cooking dinner. Explanation. This is used when the action is happening right now or around this time. Better. I'm currently learning English through YouTube videos and podcasts. They're playing football outside because the weather is lovely. 3. Future plans, going to and will. Structure. Subject plus am is are, going to's base verb. Subject, will base verb. Examples. I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend. I will help you with your homework. Explanation. Use going to for planned actions and will for sudden decisions or promises. Chart 4. Modal verbs. Can, could, should, must. Examples. Can I help you? You should drink more water. He must be tired. Explanation. These express possibility, ability, permission, advice, obligation, and more. They help you sound polite and thoughtful. 5. There is, there are, describing existence. Examples. There is a problem with my phone. There are many beautiful places in Pakistan. Explanation. We use this to introduce or describe people, objects, or situations. 6. Let me, why don't we, shall we. Examples. Let me show you something. Why don't we go to the market? Shall we start the meeting? Use these for suggestions, offers, and to sound more friendly. 7. Using and, but, so, because, connecting ideas. Examples. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. She was tired, so she went to bed early. He missed the bus because he woke up late. Explanation. These conjunctions make your sentences longer, smoother, and more connected. Part 2, Advanced English Structures. Speak like a pro. Now let's shift gears and explore structures that help you speak with depth, clarity, and elegance. Great for exams like IELTS, public speaking, writing essays, and expressing complex ideas. 1. Conditional sentences, expressing possibilities and hypotheticals. First conditional, if plus present, will plus verb. If it rains, I'll stay home. Second conditional, if plus past, would's verb. If I had more time, I would travel the world. Third conditional, if plus had past participle, would have past participle. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Explanation. Conditionals show cause and effect, dreams, regrets, warnings, etc. Try 2. Passive. Focus on action, not actor. Examples. The food was prepared by the chef. The email will be sent tomorrow. Explanation. Use when the doer is unknown or not important. It's common in formal writing and news reports. 3. Inversion for emphasis and formality. Examples. Never have I seen such kindness. Not only did he win the race, but he also broke the record. Explanation, used for emphasis, especially in writing or formal speech. Sounds elegant and strong. 4. Cleft sentences, focus and emphasis. Examples. It was my brother who called. What I need is a break. Explanation. These help to highlight important information in a sentence. 5. Advanced relative clauses. Examples. The girl who won the contest is my cousin. I met a man whose story touched my heart. They add important details without starting a new sentence. 6. Not only, but also for powerful contrast. Examples. Not only is she talented, but she also works extremely hard. Not only did he travel alone, but he also documented the entire journey. Explanation. Makes your sentence more persuasive and professional. 7. Nominalization. Noun-based sentences for formal tone. Examples. His arrival was unexpected instead of he arrived unexpectedly. The reduction in prices attracted many buyers. Explanation. Used in academic or formal writing, this style gives objectivity and formality. 8. Parallel structures, balanced and elegant sentences. Examples. She likes reading, writing, and drawing. He wants to succeed, to inspire, and to grow. Explanation. This creates rhythm and clarity in speech and writing. Build with confidence, speak with purpose. Let's pause and reflect. Learning sentence structures is not just about rules. It's about understanding how thoughts are built. It's about gaining the confidence to express yourself fully. It's about choosing your words and structure with purpose. So don't just memorize these structures, use them. In your daily conversations, in your writing, while watching English shows, or even when thinking in English. Start by practicing simple daily structures, then slowly blend in the advanced ones. You'll notice how your English starts sounding richer, clearer, and more powerful. Your practice task. Write 5 sentences about your day using different structures. 1. One simple sentence. 2. One using going to. 3. One passive voice. 4. One conditional 5. 1 inversion. Post your sentences in the comments and I'll review them. End message. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Share it with friends who want to speak better English too. You have everything you need to speak with confidence and clarity. Now go practice, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep learning.